Hello YouTube, I'm back. I got my Avon starter kit thing. I got it actually a while ago. I just am filming it now, and I only did like the $50 one. So I can kind of go through what I got from that. So I got the Skin So Soft, the body lotion, the original scent. This is creamy body wash. In the original scent. I've got some samples here. There are all different kinds of samples. Some more samples. Some lipstick samples here. The individual lipsticks aren't open, but I kind of opened the thing so I could see what lipstick samples I have. The Skin So Soft replenishing hand cream. The Skin So Soft original bath oil. A couple of lipsticks, full size. It has the color there. I don't think you can really read that, but one's a matte and one's not. One's nourishing lipstick and one's a matte. And then there's Day and Night Ultimate Anew, which is these here. And then there's Day and Night Platinum Anew. There's a eyeliner, Blackest Black. I think it's a glimmer stick. I'm pretty sure it is. I don't want to remove the packaging to see. I'm pretty sure it is. There's Avon's Vitamin C Serum. And a new Power Serum. There's samples of that in there along with the creams. And then there's Cream Cleanser Avon Anew. So, I think, and then I've got like brochures for like 3 campaigns and things like that, recruitment flyers and things like that. So I'm pretty excited to start my business. And hi.
Do you have enough room for everything you have? Good.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you.
No. So that's all I've got on this. So I've got some brochure stuffing to do. So I'll get down to it. I know this video is really short, and I'm sorry, and I'll probably post a video later tonight. I just wanted to get this up here so I can get started. I'll leave a link to my website down below. If you want to sign up to be an Avon representative, or if you want to order from me, you can do it both on that website. So, I hope you have a great day or night or whatever. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.